The global aircraft manufacturing industry. Institutions conquering the skies. Aircraft manufacturing is an incredibly complex and technologically advanced industry that has completely transformed global travel, commerce, and defense. A few major companies dominate this sector, designing and producing a wide range of aircraft. Let's take a look at some of the key aircraft manufacturers around the world and their roles. North America, the industry's powerhouse. Boeing, USA. Boeing is one of the largest aerospace companies in the world, producing a wide range of commercial airplanes, military aircraft, helicopters, rockets, and satellites. Its commercial aircraft, such as the 737, 777, and 787 Dreamliner, are used by airlines around the globe. Boeing is also a major player in the defense and space sectors. Lockheed Martin, USA. Primarily focused on military aircraft, Lockheed Martin manufactures well-known planes like the F-35 Lightning II, F-22 Raptor, and C-130 Hercules. The company is also specialized in defense systems and advanced technology. General Dynamics, USA. General Dynamics owns Gulfstream Aerospace, which produces business jets. Gulfstream is renowned for its luxurious and high-performance private jets. Sikorsky Aircraft, USA, now part of Lockheed Martin. Sikorsky is a leading helicopter manufacturer. Its UH-60 Black Hawk helicopters are used worldwide. Bombardier, Canada. A multinational company that manufactures business jets and rail transport equipment. Its Global and Challenger series business jets are very popular. Though it sold its commercial aircraft division to Airbus, Bombardier remains a key player in the business jet market. De Havilland Canada, Canada. Known for producing regional aircraft, particularly the Dash 8 series used for short-haul flights. Europe, strong competitors. Airbus, Europe, France, Germany, Spain. Airbus is Boeing's biggest rival, producing a wide range of commercial aircraft including the A320 family, A330, A350, and the world's largest passenger aircraft, the A380. Airbus also manufactures military transport planes and helicopters. BAE Systems, United Kingdom. A major defense company producing military aircraft, weapons, and electronic systems. It contributed to the development of the Eurofighter Typhoon combat aircraft. Leonardo, Italy. An aerospace and defense company that manufactures helicopters, military aircraft, and other aerospace products. Safran, France. Although Safran doesn't manufacture complete aircraft, it is a major supplier of engines and other vital aircraft components. Along with General Electric, USA, it produces engines for commercial aircraft through CFM International. Asia, emerging players. COMAC, Commercial Aircraft Corporation of China, China. A state-owned company focused on manufacturing large commercial aircraft. It developed the C919 single-aisle passenger plane to compete with the Boeing 737 and Airbus A320. COMAC also manufactures the regional jet ARJ-21. Mitsubishi Heavy Industries, Japan. Developed the regional jet MRJ, now known as the Space Jet, though the program is currently on hold. The company remains an important aerospace supplier. Tata Advanced Systems, India. This Indian company collaborates with international aerospace firms to produce aircraft components and sometimes complete aircraft. Hindustan Aeronautics Limited, HAL, India. A government-owned company producing both military and civilian aircraft. HAL also partners with Russia and other countries in aircraft development. Types of aircraft. These companies manufacture various types of aircraft, including commercial aircraft, large passenger planes, e.g., Boeing 737, Airbus A320, wide-body aircraft, e.g., Boeing 777, Airbus A350, and regional jets. Business jets, small to mid-size luxury jets used for corporate travel. Military aircraft, fighter jets, bombers, transport aircraft, surveillance planes, and trainer aircraft. Helicopters, rotary wing aircraft for transport, search and rescue, and military operations. General aviation aircraft, small single and multi-engine planes used for recreational flying, training, and personal transport. Challenges and the future. The aircraft manufacturing industry faces several challenges, including fuel costs, environmental concerns, and the integration of new technologies. In the future, the industry is expected to move toward more fuel-efficient and eco-friendly aircraft, including electric and hybrid planes, and autonomous flight systems. Globally, a few major companies, primarily from the US and Europe, dominate the aircraft manufacturing industry. However, countries like China and others in Asia are rapidly advancing in this field. These companies are essential for global travel, trade, and defense, and their importance will continue to grow in the future.